In November 1983, 4 divers were working inside a pressurized chamber on a North Sea diving vessel called the Byford Dolphin. They lived inside that chamber at 9 atmospheres of pressure, nearly 9 times the pressure of normal air at sea level. Then a diving attendant opened a clamp he should not have opened. In a fraction of a second, 9 atmospheres dropped to 1. The decompression was instantaneous. The human body is not built to survive that. The nitrogen dissolved in their blood expanded violently. Organs ruptured. Tissue forced its way through openings it should never have reached. 3 divers died inside the chamber. 1 diver's body was recovered 30 feet away from it. The official accident investigation documented every finding in clinical detail. Forensic investigators were able to reconstruct exactly what the physics did, in sequence, to each man. The science alone is more disturbing than anything a writer could invent. 4 men went to work on a Tuesday morning. The laws of physics killed them all before they could react. That is documented fact.